Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our new earth, where fresh water depletion is continuing to happen in all over the globe, where wildfire is continuing to torn apart the country of Australia, or even the air that we breathe in is so polluted that we can actually get cancer from it. But all those things have a problem in itself. The root of those problems lies within our addiction to fossil fuel. From the way we use electricity to the way we drive to our work, to school, we use fossil fuel. Our addiction from fossil fuel sparked a great deal of controversy. Why? Because we continue to poison our planet with toxic gases such as carbon monoxide or even carbon dioxide. Those two gases alone can actually impact our health by creating a respiratory organ failure, or even asthma, or even death, ladies and gentlemen. But what if I tell you all those problems have the solution, are only closed within our own very eyes? But let me ask you a question. Do you guys own solar panel at your home? Or do you guys believe in achieving sustainable living, we need to take renewable energy? Most of you guys love answering those questions, right? And loves our earth. So we are most likely going to take renewable energy as our answer. My name is Narendra Mahadewa from Three State Senior High School, and I'm going to talk about why renewable energy is so important for our life. Let me give you a clear insight on renewable energy. In 2019, a climate activist, Greta Thunberg, traveled from United Kingdom to United States by using speed yak. What is mesmerizing about that journey was the speed yak itself is powered with solar panel and underwater tube, both of whom are actually renewable energy. With that renewable energy intact, what happened was zero carbon emission emitted to the atmosphere, thus creating a carbon neutral journey for Greta Thunberg. Those shows you that we are capable of doing those small things and achieving renewable energy goals. But the big question still lies. What do the future holds for this renewable energy? In the United States of America alone, they've already experienced 50% of expansion on renewable energy. Those is according to the data provided by International Energy Agency, the same agency that stated that renewable energy have the potential to change the game for good, ladies and gentlemen. Secondly, industry experts believe that the cost of renewable energy will be so cheap, even 4 million United States American citizens can afford it right now. How do those price reduction happen? It's because of the installation process already dropped so much to up to 20% of price reduction. What is the most interesting part of these renewable energy is that if you actually use fossil fuel for your electricity in the US, you need to pay 17 cents per kilowatt hour. But if you actually use renewable energy such as solar panel, you only need to pay 6 cents per kilowatt hour. With that cheap prices, you can actually sell those excess energy to your friend. Just because the efficiency rating of solar panel is so high that even you will actually have an excess energy. It's actually so fascinating to hear, ladies and gentlemen. But most of you guys wanted to know that what is the role of Indonesia in having renewable energy. I believe that Indonesia is a home for good species, animal, and good place for sun exposure, or even good climate to have a great wind and tons of water resources. It shows you that we have the capability to power up those wind turbine, those hydropower, and we have the capability to deliver 78,000 megawatt of power from renewable energy. Recently, in 2018 alone, the project has already begun. The Jokowi administration created a wind farm in Sulawesi, which proved to be the very first wind farm in Indonesia. Yet, it can actually deliver power to 70,000 households in Sulawesi itself. It is proven that we can actually have those renewable energy in our home. But we need to take a big step and big leap for renewable energy. Therefore, we needed those steps to create a better, cleaner in Indonesia. Thank you.